On you. Start 250. Right 6. 300. Right 6. 200 uphill. Right into left 2. Tightens 50. Left 2. Into right 2. 50. Right 2 long uphill. Into left 2. Into right 2. 100. Left into right 3. Into left 6. 75. Left 4. 75. Right 5. Into left 5. 50. Left 5 over crest. Left 3 stay in. Right 6. Into left 2. Into right 3. Into left 2. Right 3 tightens 2, 100. Left 5 long. Into left 3. Into right 5. Left 6 into right 5 long. Caution brake into left 2. 200. Right 1. Left 5. Chicanes to finish. Left 4.
That was a little better.
Yeah, it's one of those I don't know.
The only real mistake was that hairpin entry. I kind of ditched it a bit, but it worked out. Probably carried the last speed out of that hairpin. No big cuts, no big mistakes, carried some speed.
Oh, I messed up one part, I think. Do you? I mean, it was better than the first one.
Yeah. I like it. I mean, that's about what we can do here.
Yeah, I think I realized this time, I do this every year. Lands in, I get a little bit more time to read and watch. This one I just can't.
Yeah,
Like,
it's such a tight technical little course.
I just, like, I can't look up and watch. I just have to go.
Yeah. For being essentially like 3 drag races and some hairpins, it's so technical, I think. Like, it's, especially as you start going faster, it's starting to occur to me more.
Well, good weekend, bud.
Love you.
Love you too. 200 uphill, right into left 2. Tightens 50. Left 2. Into. Okay, right 2, 100. Left. Into right 3. Into left 6. Left 5. Chicanes to finish.